Good morning, growers. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the best potato salad you've ever had. First, you're going to want to cut your potatoes into 1/2-inch squares. Now, you're going to need a pot. We're going to put our potatoes into our pot now. You're going to want to fill this about 1/2 inch over the potato line with water. We're going to throw this on the stove and wait for it to boil. When it boils, we're going to cover it with a lid and wait 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to grab some eggs. I prefer to use duck eggs for a richer flavor. We're going to stick them in our pot and fill it with water about 1 inch above the eggs. We're going to bring that to a boil on our stove. Once it's boiling, we're going to cover with a lid and boil for 10 minutes. Alright, so we've been boiling for 10 minutes. We're going to remove it from the heat and take off the lid, and we're going to wait an additional 10 minutes. We're going to transfer it to a bowl, put it in the fridge, and let it cool. You're going to want to transfer it to your sink and let cold water run into the pot until it overflows and the water turns cool. Once your pot is cool, let's take your eggs and crack them open and start to peel them. Once your eggs are peeled, we're going to move them to the counter and separate the yolks from the white. Alright, let's separate the yolk from the white. Once you have your egg yolks, we're going to season it. I like to put some mustard in mine, some mayonnaise, some Dijon, and some paprika. Now we combine it. Let's chop up our egg whites. Once your egg whites are chopped up, you're going to need your potatoes. Let's add our egg whites to our potatoes. Mix in our sauce. Add some salt. Add some pepper. And combine. And now we've got the best potato salad that you'll ever eat.